Welcome to LifeGuru, your guide to inner peace and well-being. Today, we're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and relaxation as we explore introduction to different meditation and breathing techniques. In this fast-paced world, finding moments of serenity is essential. Join me as we dive into various techniques that can help you achieve mindfulness, reduce stress, and connect with your inner self. I'm your host, and I'm excited to take you through this tranquil exploration. 1. Mindful breathing. We'll start with a foundation, mindful breathing. This technique involves focusing your attention on your breath, inhaling and exhaling slowly. It's a simple yet powerful way to calm your mind and bring your awareness to the present moment. 2. Guided meditation. Guided meditation is perfect for beginners. Allow me to lead you through a serene journey. Close your eyes, listen to my voice, and let go of worries as we explore different landscapes of tranquility. 3. Body scan meditation. In body scan meditation, you'll learn to tune into each part of your body, releasing tension and promoting relaxation. This technique enhances your mind-body connection and fosters a sense of well-being. 4. Loving-kindness meditation. Loving-kindness meditation focuses on cultivating feelings of love and compassion, not just for yourself, but for others as well. It's a heartwarming practice that radiates positivity and empathy. 5. Breath awareness meditation. Breath awareness meditation involves observing your breath without trying to change it. This technique deepens your connection to your breath and enhances your awareness of the present moment. Congratulations! You've explored a range of meditation and breathing techniques. Remember, meditation is a personal journey, and there's no one-size-fits-all. Feel free to try different techniques and find what resonates with you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with those seeking tranquility. Subscribe to LifeGuru for more insightful content. May your journey toward inner peace be filled with serenity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.